Good, relax, let it sink. We're gonna follow your breath down, just like this. Oh, good. A little bit more, let your hips go. Good. Okay, another breath. And out. Good. Okay, very nice. Gentle, gentle. Let your shoulders go. Good. Good. And out. Good. Let your head drop. Shoulders. Scary.
License casinos with good bonuses on the first deposit in the description link on Twitter and in the enshrined comment. Check in and win.
Shoulders. Hips. Let your close your eyes. Good. You cracked all these today, didn't you?
I may have.
Relax here, relax.
Perfect. Boy. Definitely needed this today. Look at you. There you go. Not a girl. That's it. Curve again. That's exactly why you're getting headaches. And her atlas is subluxated as well. There you go. Okay, let's turn you on your back. There. Try not to mess up your makeup. There you go. Okay, now your clavicles. You know, they always think I'm adjusting something else when I'm going to. I do that on men too. There you go. Good. Alright, just breathe through your nose. Just like that. Yes, ma'am.
Was that as loud for everyone else as it was for me?
Yeah.
Oh my
The only thing that
gosh.
would make you more popular.
In and out one more time. There it is. Okay, now turn on your side facing this way. We'll slide you forward a little bit. Go back there. Keep up. Good. Nice and easy here. Good.
Oh wow. I've never cracked my neck before.
Really?
Really?
First time for everything. Good. Good.
Oh yeah.
I want you to raise your right leg up for me. Any pain or tenderness with that?
No.
Okay. Raise the left leg up. Any pain or tenderness?
No.
Good. Okay. That top knee. Okay. And bring that arm there. I'm just going to drop that shoulder. Okay. There we go, just like that.
Oh wow.
Good. And then flip to the other side.
Okay.
Good. So I'm going to lean you back. I got you.
Okay.
Squeeze your elbows together. Good, good, good.
Oh,
There we go.
nice.
Exhale out. Good. All right.
Oh my goodness.